In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a person from a group photo using Adobe Photoshop. This tutorial is designed for advanced Photoshop users who want to enhance their retouching skills. Now let's dive in. First, you want to start by opening Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you don't have the application open, it's a good idea to do that now. Once you have Photoshop ready, the next step is to add the image you want to work with. You can do this by navigating to the top menu, selecting File, and then Open. Browse through your folders and locate the image you wish to edit, then click Open to bring it into Photoshop. Now that you have your image loaded up, the key task is to select the person you want to remove from the group photo. For this purpose, we will use the lasso tool. If you're familiar with Photoshop, you know that the lasso tool is incredibly effective for making freehand selections. You can find it in the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. With the lasso tool selected, carefully draw around the person you want to remove. Take your time to ensure that your selection closely follows the outline of the person to avoid accidentally including undesired areas or cutting parts you want to keep. Once you've completed the selection, you need to right-click on the selected area. A contextual menu will appear, and from there, you should select Fill. This is a crucial step because it allows Photoshop to generate a fill for the area where the person currently is. In the Fill dialog box that appears after right-clicking and selecting Fill, you'll see a variety of options. Since we're focusing on removing a person, make sure that Content Aware is selected under the Contents dropdown. This setting tells Photoshop to analyze the surrounding area and seamlessly blend it into the space where the person once was. After making sure all the settings are correct, click OK. After clicking OK, Photoshop will take a moment to process the changes, and you'll see the person disappear from the photo as the program fills in the background to match the surrounding area. It's quite a magical feature, but sometimes it may not be perfect on the first try. If it doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can always hit undo and try again, perhaps adjusting your selection or tweaking the fill settings to get a better result. That's all there is to it. With a few careful selections and the power of Photoshop's content-aware fill, removing a person from a group photo can be both quick and satisfying. Keep practicing with different photos to hone your skills and improve your efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more advanced Photoshop tips and tricks.